Okay children, see here page number 12, F bit. So here classroom, playground, two parts divided here. See, box given under classroom, playground. Here some words are given. See, slide, duster, chalk, swing, trees, blackboard. So in classroom, what do you find? See, for example, blackboard, it is given. What else we see in classroom? What, see, in this is a classroom, okay. What do you see? Blackboard. And on blackboard, what we use? Just now, I have used, see, this one I have used. What is this? Duster, yes. And to use, now I am using a pen, but when you come to school, what do your teacher use? Chalk, yes. Yes or no? So here see, okay, duster, chalk, blackboard. Next in playground, what do you see? You have your playground backside, children. Yes. What do you find in a playground? Slide, trees around. Yes, slide, tree, swing. What do you like? What do you call swing? Jula. You like, no? So these two boxes you have to fill with these words. Next part is grammar. So what we are going to learn in grammar is nothing but sentence. What is a sentence? A sentence, a group of words which gives us complete thought. Group of words which gives us complete meaning. Complete meaning. For example, suppose if I write here let me take a simple sentence, okay. So see here, I have used, just now I said, what is a sentence? We are learning. So how we make children sentence? You write now many sentences in your English, EVS, Hindi, Telugu, sentences you write. Yes. So how a sentence is made? How? తయారు చేసే విధానం ఎలా? When you prepare something, recipe, you need know how a sentence is made, a good sentence. We are going to learn today. Okay. Suppose I said group of words we collect and we put together and it becomes a sentence. For example, see, here I have collected some words. Okay, I will write as it is. My Sita is friend. Will you call it as a sentence? My Sita is friend. My Sita is friend. See, my a word I have taken, Sita a word I have taken, is a word I have taken, friend a word I have taken. So will it come under a sentence? Because words, I have taken word, kept together. Is it a sentence? No, it won't be a sentence. Then what is the correct definition of sentence? Group of words put together, which gives correct meaning. When it gives out some meaning, then only it will become a sentence. And a sentence must start with a capital letter and end with a punctuation mark. Okay, we learn about that punctuation mark in this little later. First see, so if this sentence, if I have to make it a correct sentence, first thing I have to get a correct meaning. You should give me some. My Sita is friend. My I know, Sita a girl I know, friend I know. Then, but what the sentence meaning it is giving me? What meaning is it giving? Don't know. Let us put in correct order. See, Sita is my friend. Sita is my friend. Then you understand, okay, Sita is my friend. That means she is telling Sita is her friend. Then when I say Sita is my friend, then you understand that Sita is her friend. So it is giving you meaning, complete meaning. when we put that words together, it should give us meaning. We should understand something from it. Then only we can call it as a sentence. Understand? So group of words when kept together to give a complete meaning, thought, we can understand something, then only it can be called as what? Sentence. And a sentence must start with a capital letter. Always remember, a sentence must start with a capital letter and end with a punctuation mark. So what are the punctuation marks? So the basic punctuation marks, what you must learn is about question mark, period or full stop. Normally you know as full stop, even it is called as period, children. Okay. Next, exclamation mark. What is it, children? Exclamation mark. So as I said, a sentence must end with a punctuation. A sentence must end with a punctuation. Then what are the basic punctuation up for you now? Okay, when you go to higher class, 4th, 5th, no, you will learn more punctuation, comma. But these are the basic one. First you should start with where we should use question mark. When I ask, when I am asking, when you question something, asking. Question mark says, when I am asking, use me. I am asking. So whenever you see a question mark, that means it is asking something to us. For example, who are you? See, children, here I have used a capital letter in the starting. Okay, and I have used a punctuation mark of question. So it is a complete sentence of a question. It is asking something. So this sentence is a correct sentence. Why? Started with a capital letter, it is giving us some meaning. It is asking who are you? So asking about someone. So what I am doing here, asking her. So it is ending with a question mark. So it is this sentence is right. This sentence is correct. Understand? So next, as I said, full stop. See here. If I say full stop or period, when I am telling something, when I am telling, use full stop. Say normally something. For example, I am a girl. See, I have started with a capital letter. I am a girl. That means you understand, I am telling that I am a girl. Okay. So, because I am saying something, because I am telling something, what I am using? Full stop. Understand? So it becomes I am telling, use a full stop. So this is also a right sentence. Understand? Next, exclamation mark. What is an exclamation mark, children? Where I am exclaiming something. What do you say? Exclamation means, for example, suppose you are sad. I am very sad. With your face, when you are dull, crying, happy, smile. When we see your face, we understand. But suppose you have to write it. We use this exclamation. What do we use? Exclamation. For example, I'll use, what a beautiful picture. Tasty. What a tasty ice cream. What a tasty ice cream. See, I am exclaiming, wow, what a tasty ice cream. See, what I am exclaiming. See, that expression from where you understand, where I am exclaiming something, yelling, wow, where you can see that expression, where I am saying something good or bad or anything. When that kind of exclamation will come under exclamation, exclamation mark, showing feelings, happy, sad or anything. So that comes under your exclamation mark, children. So with this, when can you say I can write sentences? When you follow 3-star ratings. For first one, you should start with a capital letter. Second one is you should give finger space, children. Finger space. Finger space. What you have to give here? Finger space. Third one, you must use punctuation. At the end. At the end of a sentence, you must use punctuation. Then your sentences will be perfect. Then you can say, yes, I can write, I can make my sentence better. How? When you follow these 3 rules. First one, use capital letter. Second one, use finger space, give finger space. Third one, use punctuation marks at the end. What are those punctuation marks? Question mark, full stop and exclamation mark, children. Okay. So now in our next video we will solve some sentences so that you get how to write sentences. What are the exercise we will see in our next video, children. Okay.